Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test in the Realme X2 device. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru. And also do check the links in description also for the playlist of the Realme X2 device. So where you can find a lot of videos which I did on the Realme X2, even on other smartphones. So you can check the other smartphone playlist as well. So I uploaded a lot of videos, more than 50 videos on each single device. So you can check the links in description guys for the playlist. So it is a adapter which I am using in this testing. This is a default adapter which came along with the box in the Realme X2. This is a 30 watts oak charge adapter, and according to the Realme, it claims that within the 30 minutes it can charge to 67% of battery. So in this test we'll get to know whether is this the real case or not. So let me connect the charger right now, and I got the stopwatch ready in the Redmi Note 8 Pro here, and let me start the stopwatch at same time, as you can see here. So again I'll be back after 30 minutes of exactly charging the device, and let's check how good it is, whether it can charge 67% or not in the first 30 minutes. So as you can see here friends, clearly it's been right now exactly 30 minutes. So let's check exactly what is the battery percentage right now. It is, so as you can see, a 65%. So whereas the Realme has claimed it can charge to 67, but it charged right now only to the 65%. And let's see in 1 hour whether it will completely fully charge the battery or will it take more than the 1 hour. So as you can see here friends, exactly it's been 1 hour, and let's check what is the battery percentage, how much it is right now. As you can see, 96% right now. So still it's very close to the 100% guys. So overall for the 1 hour it charged to the 96%. So let's see how much time it will take to fully charge the battery in the Realme X2 device. So as you can see friends, it's been 1 hour and 8 minutes, but still the battery is of 99% right now. I'm just waiting for the battery to be 100%, so that we'll get to know exactly how much time it really takes to charge the Realme X2 device. Only the last 10% of charging, it's taking a lot of time. So as you can see, the 1% it taking more than 4 minutes guys. So the last 1%. So for the first 65% got recharged within 30 minutes. That's very fast, but I expect it to be charged within 1 hour, but this is not the case in the Realme X2 device. So as you can see friends, finally after 1 hour and 30 minutes it completely charged to the 100%. So overall it took about 73 minutes to completely fully charge the battery. As you can see guys, 73 minutes. So the next 40 percentage, close to 35% took about 43 minutes to charge. So that's why it took a lot of time guys at the end. Maybe from 80% to the 100%, it took close to maybe 30 minutes. So this is a video guys, overall the charging test of the Realme X2 device. So this is a test which I did starting from 0%. So usually we'll charge our mobiles when it's close to 10%. So in that case you can charge your device within 1 hour of time. So that's it guys. This is a quick video on this one, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys, and then stay tuned. Bye.